Hello everyone, my name is Udhanshas and welcome to Medi Team. So guys, I'm back and today I'm going to make a vlog on a nursery. So this is related to plants and nature. And today guys, you will be exploring the beauty of nature. So buckle up your belts and come on, let's start. Guys, I'm here in Sirispur Badli in Shivam Nursery. Guys, here you will see every kind of plant. Like this one. See, this is Morpankhi. And guys, this is another plant. I don't know its name. So sorry. Hey. Look at this. This is marigold. This is the yellow marigold. And these are small plants, the bonsai plants. That's cactus. The long one, guys. And these are marbles for decoration. Anyway, get those plants. Guys, I hope we are on the journey. And here, Ransh is showing you the Christmas tree. Feature eyes on this. Guys, as you know, Christmas is coming. I wanted to show you this plant. Look at this. The Christmas plant, the Christmas tree plant. Wow, guys, it's the original Christmas tree, guys. Wow, it's shaped like a snowflake. You see? Wow, isn't that beautiful, guys? I told you, you will see different types of plants here, and there will be hundreds of them. Like this one, this is the croton. Look at this, guys. The lined leaves, the yellow lined leaves. Wow, they look so beautiful because it's like a mutant plant. So it's so different from other plants. It's so tall, and guys, it's so beautiful. Anyway, so beautiful. Have a glimpse on this. Wow. You guys, you'll be shocked to see this. Bed of flowers and plants, guys. Look at this. Wow. So beautiful. And guys, this is nothing. There are more nurseries outside here. Wow. Anyway, let's have a glimpse, guys. This is a very, very beautiful place with beds of flowers and plants and there are kitchen gardens here. And here's my brother also. Why? So guys, I'm out of the greenhouse and now I'm showing you many beds of flowers. So come on, let's start the journey. Yo! This is the petunia. Look at this. The pink color, the red color, the striped pink and white color. And look at this. It shines like a diamond. Wow. That's pink and white shaded. Guys, I can't wait to see more plants and with flowers in them. My God. Look at its leaves. They are spotted, there are tiny spots on the leaves. I'm so happy this area is not at all wet. Otherwise, I would have not even able to walk here. Everywhere. Guys, there are so many plants here. Here's another plant. The salvia. See, this is the salvia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but whatever it is, guys. This is very beautiful, guys. Look at this. It's like a tree with red leaves. A miniature tree, you know. Wow. And there are so many of them. Roses. Look at this, guys. It is a type of rose. And there are many kinds of them. Look, here they are. Guys, if you think it's over, then you are wrong. Because this was just the trailer. The picture is yet to be shown. So guys, now I am in Kaushal Nursery. I'm so sorry guys. I forgot to mention that we will be visiting two nurseries. First we visited Shivam Nursery. Then now we are visiting Kaushal Nursery. There are more plants. भैया ये कौन सा plant है? Universe. So this one is Universe. Look at this. Somewhat like a tree. Wow. Looks so beautiful. This is the petunia. I showed you before also. But guys, these are more shades. I've got one of these at my home. Look at this guys. Wow. Look at its shade and its design. And this one is also a similar one. Look at its design. Look at both designs. Ignoring this one. Hey. Wow. So this is a pink one. This is a violet one. And these are other petunias. Look at this. A red petunia. And this is a white petunia. And this is a pink petunia. And this is a dark pink. Somewhat maroon petunia. Violet. Purple. Red. Pink. White. All kind of shades. You know guys, I did not show you so many shades. Oh wow, look at this one. Wow, it's the spotted petunia. See, it is spotted from between. There's a big patch of purple color. There's a big splash of purple color in the center of the petunia flower. And it is white from the corners. Wow, guys. See, it looks so beautiful. Wow. So guys, to mention that this is Coleus. This is another type of Coleus species. These are all Coleus plants. I told you that there are many types of Coleus plants, and some of them were which we had seen in Shivam Nursery. These are others. Look at this one guys. It's pink and yellow and white and green. Yeah, that's right. Wow, it looks so beautiful. This is the aloe vera guys. As you know, the best medicine. Guys, now I'm going to show you the most funny plant. I say the funny plant because it is the dog plant, and let me show you what it does. This is the dog plant with a dog flower. Haha, that's a dog flower. Look at it. It opens its mouth just like a dog. I press the flower and look at this guys. It opens its mouth, and its face is also, the shape of the plant's flower is also like a dog. Wow, look at this guys. I press it and it opens its mouth just like a dog. Look at this. Peep. Peep. Okay, I'm adding my funny sound. Hey. This is a very beautiful plant. Look at its leaves. And its flowers are also colorful. These are the buds. This pink color flower is actually its bud. And these green buds. This is a full grown flower. And look at it. Does this look like the nose? Imagine guys, it's like a nose. Oops, it's a little blur. Wait a minute guys. So guys, look at this. Does it look like a nose? Wow. Isn't that wonderful? Nature has copied the animals also. Nature actually has copied animals also. Because now there is this dog flower that's alike to a dog's mouth. So wonderful. So guys, I'm back home and I'm very tired. But guys, today we bought some plants and I really wanted to show you those plants. So now I'll be showing you those plants. They are very beautiful and we bought them from those nurseries which I had a walk in with all of you. So guys, I bought 2 pansies. Here's one of them which is orangish yellow and this one is violet. Purplish I mean. And guys, this is one fern. And guys, you see this plant with the white flowers, the big white flowers. This is the short guldavari. This one is the long guldavari with the pinkish maroon flowers. And guys, this one is the gajania. It's of 2 colors. One is pink and one is orange. And guys, this one is the calendula. And guys, you see this one in the grow bag inside its respective pot. This one is the good mehendi. We'll plant it in this pot. You see? It will be fun. And guys, you see this one? The another one in its respective pot. This one is the lily with these long leaves. It is so beautiful. It will have a small flower. It will be very beautiful. I'll be showing you. Okay guys, with this I end today's video. I'll meet you next time. This is the Maddie team signing out. Bye guys. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.